So now let's see how we can utilize the guided perfect pet option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided section right here. And once I go around onto the guided section, here you can see perfect pet is an option right here under special edits. So if I were to go around over here, then what happens is that I'll get a few options. So I can go around and crop out this photo right here according to how I want right here. And then I can also go around and straighten it out just like this. So let's say I want to just go around and straighten this out, then it'll label it out to make it straight. You can go around and remove dips and spots right here. So you can go around and remove, let's say, dips and spots on the subject right here, and it'll detect the object out right here. And then here you can see that that is what you can do. You can also go around and select out the background right here, as you can see. So if I were to select out this subject, you can also go around and modify the selection right here just by adding it out right here, or you can go around and then let's say, for example, use auto option right here and so forth as well. So let me just go around onto quick selection, and you can select out more portions over here as well, just like that. So let me just go around onto auto right here, and then let's say I'm going to go around onto the selection right here, and let me just go around onto the tool option right here, and then instead of adding, let me subtract it, so because I don't want to select out the bottom portion right here. So I'm just going to go around and deselect this out right here. I'm just going to go around over here and work around with the size right here, select out the options right here just like this. They're going to go around onto side, click and drag, and select out these portions just like this. So once that is done, you can go around and work around with the shadows, and you can see that only the dark part of the selection is changing out right here. Similarly, you can go around and change around the highlights, that is the bright parts right here, and adjust it out. And you can also change around the midtones, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around and select out the background right here, and then change around the shadows right here and work around with the highlights, as you can see right here, and balance everything out according to how you want it, just like that. So let me just go around, and then that is what you have. You can also work around with the midtones over here. Then you can go around onto effects right here and select out an effect that you want to apply onto the entire image right here. And you can see you can go around and select out an effect that you want, and you can change around the intensity of the effect over here as well. So I really like this one. As you can see, you can also go around and focus on the pet itself, make everything black, or you can blur out everything right here, as you can see. So once you're happy with the effect that you applied, you can go around and click on next and continue editing either in quick or expert mode, or save this out as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.